court no so no. Lawyer Kusi jina court ho. Ebie ne same brown no. Ne se na ahye no. Eji to mu say. Akwala no woni ne nkasa na ye akosu abempoma. Ene ma ni true ni din. E ho na o ma committee ade legally ye friend perjury. Charlie no so Emma ne ya adu court aso te say. Emma no omo ni team A and omo ni team B. Omo team number. Enfantine you town krata na mo sorry amode ne nam court no. More committee perjury. More committee. Say Lawyer Kusi officially bet me na legal counsel. What they are war and your unprofessional legal conduct. Or say me catch them when I want train more. Kusi have been from our committee crime. Say one Ghana will buy police everywhere no.
Right, and yeah, not me chilema. Na me chirem e de ama oye titie di ha aya de pa TV. Na if you Schwarzenegger ba out or call it the team legal wife out or say call it Lawyer Kusi integrate legal lawyer or call it out. I wa church your mo church ma me akosia say one one e keka ho. Sa onye me ba ya adwen say ma me akosia say wa be pie mu Ghana no. Ye tete nsem bi say okopie mu court na all pe letter of administration say ye ma no kwan na on finansa en toto niema bi so that the luma niema bi a owo won japade bi owo won no manage oni me ya adwen ai na sa letter ni kopie mu court no sa na edin na e ka ho ne sem akoso se wa ne ba Charlene ai sa ne papa de Charles nso no so de nti en ka ne Charlene na Charlene okay you make can be afansa na just say letter ni mu na say just say Charlene ene ne ma me play japade na nkrofo ka say ananya akoda yi no ba ye be ye ne ma me ne papa yi akono so bia say oh Charlene you are good, oh Charlene is not supporting her mother, oh Charlene is a good kid, Charlene is a good child, Charlene has the spirit of that Lumba, Charlene is a smiling girl, Charlene oya akoda papa na just me chirema na just nkrofo bo Charlene abasho and I don't answer until letter of administration ya na letter ni mu e ka say Charlene kan wi ana Charlene pie no say hey me ni mu it is my mother. It is my mother or cho letter no Lawyer Kusi na if you Schwarzenegger na account me chire mama and if you say ho ehu baba ye ehu ye money ehu duaba nyamo ehu challenge wo ni mo hwe na interview Lawyer Kusi say brempoma na kacha me say me fa dini nhyem maka na me say susu biem lawyer nkontomre lawyer wo ye nkontomre niema lawyer maka cho Lawyer Kusi me too fu wa ha me catch we say you are the problem nkofo ye hear me me say you are the problem na say one kasa ye mu bi wo honma I did just a bit of contract law kitu e bia me ye Lawyer Kusi ama me hu say won sam kikan krampo sisi so enefe enika lawyer interview lawyer celebrity showbiz lawyer if you Schwarzenegger edi nkomo ye ntse bi mbra sisi a
offense case here because omo deposit to an affidavit say omo the
exactly
authority officially say omo etusa na mo but she has denied ever giving that consent any that authority Emma even the lawyer has confirmed in court say akwala no kran so efre no eno it comes to the realization say client in appointed lawyer or instructed lawyer say to an one. In any case, there's a lawyer who take care of Mobiana. I was say from the client and say, I pass it, okay, I want to see to an way. Because you don't take things for chance. I say, clear instructions. Or shall I say, me to an way, I asked her to give me formal written instructions on that. Say, the video dance here say, or no, they say, me to an way, and that is what our practice. And our rules of professional conduct, etiquette, like 2423, prescribed for us as lawyers. And they have heard, but that is not why we are here. We are instructions.
Oh, so William said that. Only a kumaja me bomo de senya me de me bedu ba bia modunti. Eya na mi sua de na Misia de no so na metwe manson FM enti de Kusi ya no perjury na Can you say said the lawyer Kusi no
professional misconduct.
Okay.
But they are deposit to affidavit, and that person no the lie and that would then so and okay say on the third applicant then they say or the consent of the first and second applicant.
Which is Akosia Bempoma.
Exactly. So what committee the offense we decide to cite here. But the action of the lawyer amounts to professional misconduct as a lawyer.
Okay. It's not just say you bet me a report and also I'm a legal counsel. That means so lawyer. When that means so normal question saying. What about now saying I a lawyer, maybe a lawyer dancer for you. You on what was your to what about now say? And then so congratulations. Said you're the court, courts. Proving easy. Kusi court ni bisa when ya ba kokra. Enti congratulations lawyer. Yeah, that's it bebre me poor me no bekasa. Na me show bye bye. I was I am there. And when you kakum, bleeding is allowed. Kakum. Mama Church, congratulations to us once again. And come with the Charlene in Korea, dear, but crap for the lawyer. Crap, no, and not clapping. Crap for the lawyer. Crap for the lawyer. Obon Sam, Nenia way. Obon Sam, hey. And then I want you there, Mosaido, a woman mo power. Mokai said last week, and the catcher will say, Mon try and go to do what that go pim banada and go pim weekendy. Na Obi and Sa me wo falumba ye ohine oyo mo de sa ba ko be kwa kodem me pa chewo my enter there obroni friend den crime and continue town krata na mo sorry amode ne nam court no mo committee page mo committee say lawyer Kusi officially bet me na legal counsel what they are war and your unprofessional legal conduct or say me catch na mo dey want train mo say wono Ghana wo ba police ewere no ti see amene wo kasa die ele na Charlene for sudin wo no court na boegu e ya twatwene because ele ni mu nsem na e fracadam e fraudulent omo free legal embarrassment about legal crimes so as at now no lawyer etimi the krata akokota akobo obi di nipa konhye no according to lawyer for akoya wakasa asisi ya no osi Kusi na akasa kwa sore court ne edi to mu say onye Charlene nkasada nemu yakosu abrempoma NSA onfa Charlene dinbrem Tina chese legal embarrassment na chase lawyer Kusi so no ya pamuno afi no aba ya suspending no more than 2 years afi ni akopa ache wamanaba and wasabe committee we you lying under oath last week or per lawyer and ono atro wo Germany kasemu your person worker near the bread lawyer and a lawyer interpreting or the court. So as last week in an American channel said this week we be no. Na ya menya boasa legal wives na meti asema hey Debbie nen koma fa echi akohu abeg Debbie ti ye kan ya no tumu e ma process ne go through ai nipa bebre kwa wo ya squad ni ma ye keeping no in the family, let me put it like that. To Oma, the lawyer, Germany, interpreti say wonim de enti adidi wo court. First, the kind man the lawyer no, court, search because Unwa de wo social media, ebetimi aye AI. Ti lawyer na koye search who say ampa ono Charlene Fosu edin any the signature ewo letters of administration no eno mo file affidavit a mo di beyi ni din e free sakrata dim enti no eno na no mo court no mo court no so no court no so no lawyer Kusi jina court ho ebie ne same brown no ne se na ahye no edi to mu se akola no woni ne nkasa na ye akosu abempoma ene ma ne true ne din e ho na o ma committee ade legally ye friend perjury said the lawyer na be kan na o cheche mu ma mote no enti no na chese e was se court ne bo letters of administration ni gu no mu yi Charlene din efri mu na nyame na aboa akosu abempoma se wedwane nke ne enko love ne so e was sales ai se mi wia ye ne lawyer for bedwene ho e kwan ya ye betimi de lawyer Kusi afaso love ne so ai na Charlene ne kasa mumpo no o se ni nua no mo ye 11 nso nye wono na ye panini enti se bibi sa be ba kro enye onu ena wodi didi be hyase Charlene nso so ema ne ya adu court aso te se emma no wo ni team A and wo ni team B omo team number therefore court na hwe no mo ni din firi krata nim no mo mokrata no ntontwene akola wonim nyansa akola wodesu nyeso akola wodwene ne papa da ache ho anu ti court no so antimi empusu omuti because it's just that na court ni jitumu na omo boto twene ye 2026 no so far now this is the second time at Team Legal almost started we no 2026 edition so 2025 edition there I'm somewhere 5 6 or 7 times 2026 edition no 15th January case from the court na case na nkasa mute ye no mwensi wono more ye na and January yeah that's way January na mu January na mu nie that's way na sabosumi bia ko mo fa ni Tuesday ya me Tuesday I go for to be here because when ni Jimmy bia kwa amore akwa mware dia mu be bia no mo hihye ni adwiri na ba mo hihye ni adwiri na mo hihye ni adwiri no more sheni edwiri we justice will prevail who do obedi akoshe kratam no say emfani di mekam what justice will prevail from where justice has prevailed this morning justice no in fact justice is Charlene in Ghana. Don't worry. Don't worry. Charlene is not in Ghana. Charlene's cousin, if you're Schwarzenegger, is the owner of Ghana. So she doesn't have to be there. Yes. Mustati me ka when now. Said ye nanimu mwasi ye friend Kodofusu. The one who will not be disgraced at the end of everything you people are doing is Charles Kodofusu. I told you people. Mustati na me kachem se munyai. Na yemfa be akoye enkosi ofalumba. Meti ne fia so ndwem. Ena moye amwadwene se mo befa afisem na mo de akoma oba ni ti se na ntwie wakasa wata 30 ansa na wakasa baako onipa wontimi ne nkasem 10 minutes mo de afisem be akoma na mo ya amwadwene se obi abusuamu wa asem but mo be ma omajai omabusuamu asem no mo di mochi na mo gumu wani mo ase na mo sai mo amunua yie wa gugu na ni mo ase ena mo de wan na ridi ye papa shi enra mu mujimi enra ase mu mujimi jega koduru ebusua panini fio jega koduru for stifio ada na ye we di omo de ma Tupac de nene Tupac no mom pini mani nyelumba yie no Tupac kromfo no Tupac bonsam no Tupac no ye wiase bibia no jega koshia no ewo for stifie no ada na funu we di omonko ena afi na busua pani namba ena abusua pani no mo bo pama mo kan wiase nsemi na afa no afi na busua pani na ye den waba afi ena busua pani aba really ada na ye we die omunjai ma abusua pani odo me odo broni ko ntimi ntua meka if somebody is to buy me odo broni cannot pay me nobody can I tell you something lumba wu yesika ma say no echensika ye de ma bloggers nobody can pay me lumba tiase no me na me defend no satan de no bia meka ntem se etu meka se me defend no lumba what tiase no me na me defend no I know the near ma me bribe I know the na me niska na me wo fatiase me ma wonka na wonkwase ase no wu a me se mo de wo ho du ye ne be wo du nu yes ale mo di wo ho du enra na busuapani kwotena ase no na me pese ka ya poku sori se wonya busuapani nti sori ko anase kofi na wawu ne die sika ni ho kofi na wawu no enafofo omotwi emfo musika what have you achieved in your so-called life? Nothing, but you on my life listening to me. I have achieved an enemy watching me religiously. Isn't that something? Isn't that something, Unya? I have achieved nothing, but my enemies are here watching and typing. Isn't that something? I am ruling your life. Isn't that something? Mete what dream? Mete what dream? Rent free. Isn't that something? I haven't achieved anything. I've gotten you to watch me with your data and also comments. Isn't that something? It's something. It's something. When my enemies watch me like slaves, it's something. It adds to my algorithm. You don't know. You don't know what I'm achieving today. You are helping my brand grow. You are running the algorithm for me. My enemies are commenting. Isn't that something? You think you are not working for me? You don't know because you don't know how the algorithm works. Honey, that is what I have achieved. I have achieved enslaving my enemies. That is what I've achieved. My former town food don't call no more duma and they run me algorithm and mommy. You understand? This is something that, if not God, enyo totobro nsu nyame obo so bo asase bo matamfo so mo meye donko mame a wanye betimi aye enka wo hwe mi nka wan comment kura na enka for you to come and ask me what I've achieved, let me show you. You are adding to my brand. You are adding to my numbers. My algorithm is running because my enemies are here. And you are adding to the numbers. An entertainment industry, all I need is the numbers. So that me koye meeting, dina me share me brand, na me the algorithm network. They don't ask you who like you or who don't like you, because obviously they know there are people on social media who are just bitter and stupid. They don't ask you. They just want to know how many people watches you. My enemies are doing it. They are doing it. They are doing it. Let me pepper you. Let me pepper you. Mami family kongu mweni. Anaya na kesi me, una kesi me. Okwa wanu mu bon mi ntimi nkesi. Ana o ka se obi a no danya ni ofese na ye soche. Lip gloss is for hungry people. We that we can afford food. We use matte. When my different matte. Maybe you see matte lipstick. Maybe you see lip gloss. Krasi niba. Lip gloss. Enye by force. Lip gloss. Eye here for akadie. Tie. Lip gloss. Eye here for akadie. Me was sika me the metal matte lipstick. Intimator matte lipstick. Now my shame matte lipstick. Yes. I don't want people to think that Manoa is such a medidi. No. I eat what I want to eat. Now Charlene pleaded with the courts, Kumasi High Court, send letters of administration. What we need it in film. Now Momonton Trine because any legitimate signature, they won't need any signature. One man will be here to me, so one funny ding and Kojina baby. Now I can't say something so no. Kumasi High Court for Eddie Tumu and my name no kase. Ya bought letters of administration no atuogu. I'm my judge adia Tumu say. Kusi adia waye ye no. And you're legally drunk. Blanter. Na akosi abempoma de no ye no so no. Eye perjury. And they say no me free her. Na me lawyers ne ko discuss am mati ase say. Yeah, the Kusi ebe legal counsel na ye be jano. Joye and ye beto aso reporting on legal counsel and I ye jano. Akosi abempoma no officially we commit crime. And what is going to happen? Because the Kusi no a professional misconduct. The Kusi a professional misconduct.
It's if you're not actually what's the more bois. Baba ye when you Charles one more hey one play la Kusi no to was a shim so that say fear chemo ko pie mu court no la Kusi my lord it no be me if you Kusi abrempoma and no share me kutupa say I should put Charlene D wo ho it no be me lawyer it no be me lawyer me nim ho hey obi na share kutupa lawyer abede afg lawyer abcd efgh lawyer 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 lawyer won jo home na lawyer kodo na woni munyam ni school no Ghana for omo de twi na tiem de twi bi mu ba kana kwa na achoro so betina ha tufu wentie yo say boboba ye me de me tufu na wentie sa na ubon say enini na beba hu yo adepa TV so de me de manual to mani aba ho na ne kwa de say ekọ You know, I know Miss Cavago, so from Cavago, so tap send a summer slim. Number the concern 360, but so tap send a quintia. Obia fast to the sendis canman at often movie, so send this kind of during the process. No, or maybe some of your promo compatriots you and the party, you know, they are showing their mom. So the shower, one America bet you $10 free, so now any of the European countries, so bet you €5 free. Ebi Medino, and one enemies Cavago, Macra.